And man, do I have a special treat for you guys today. I have been working on this application for about 2 weeks now altogether. And I finally made progress with, if you've been watching my videos, my matrix, where I put where the matrix have a calculation and it goes to the left and above. So say if you start with, let me give you guys an example real fast. Let me go somewhere where it's not too complex. Okay, here, see about here, about here. Say if you have a 3 here, then the outcome will be for the next step, the calculation will look something like this. 1, 1, 1, 0. Just then it keeps going until it exits the matrix, either that way, or that way. But I got more of that on my last videos. If you guys want to watch it, it's on YouTube, on the Circle of Text app channel, group channel, where I release my videos at, my coding videos. And here is what we have going with this application. After we added the matrix, we decided to put on some sounds to the numbers, so we can make a difference, make the numbers make a sound. And also we had to put it in a direction, make sure that the sounds is getting played throughout the steps and the number change. This is a really complicated application that I created. And it's like a new invention, I would say. I call it the mathematic calculator, or the matrix calculator, or the matrix music calculator. Sorry for that. But here you go. I'm going to give you guys a demonstration of how it works now. Yeah, great work too. And as you can see, as the matrix moves, it plays the sound into the last step and the last sound. And I'm sure that it's going this way, then down, row by row. And it's skipping zeros. That's another thing we put inside the code to make sure it skip the zeros, so we just get straight to the numbers. So basically it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. So say if I want to put any numbers in here, let me take off the double zeros. That was something that I was working on, but did not finally get that complete. So let me take that out for now and just put something simple in here, like a 21, just to show you guys a basic example of the sound. And with this application, it might not seem too complicated, but just imagine if a really smart genius or an incredible smart AI was to able to go from, let's say, a simple basic template of sound like this, and from something like this, we would say that the I was fast. We would say that the AI could. Oh, that was quicker. Well, at least it ran through the steps properly, I think. Yeah, because it went up, left, right. And since it's all the way up, there's really nowhere to go. So if I really want to see anything, I would see it right here. Just wanted to work this real quick to see. It would be too fast anyway because the sounds are playing at zero point 0.5 seconds, I think, or zero point 0.1 second each column. And we're skipping the zeros. So it's like going over 3 and 2 and it skips 1 and 0. Don't do any sounds for 1 and zeros. Okay. Okay, with this music calculation, I wanted to also we can make the grid bigger. Okay, and what I was speaking about earlier about a sophisticated AI or human being being able to go from a simple demonstration to or a simple calculation into calculating how to play like say classic a classic musical composition using this or the rhythm of a not the sound the rhythm of the classical music. That will be really pretty intriguing and shows how smart a system can become with the lead of a human being. As you can see, it was a human that developed this app. It was me, and but I think that it will be perfected, or the test cases of this app will be perfected with AI get to have their have its free way in learning how to make different sounds. I haven't came up with anything for that yet, but we're still just working on things like that. But as you can see, we can add a bigger matrix to the sound. So so the AI or the genius person will have free will on his matrix size and the numbers that they want to put into the matrix to make the sound. And I added something called double zeros for a reason, but I'll to that in a second. If I can show you guys how I'm developing that part because I'm working on that part, so I can just show you guys why I prompt Claude to try to fix it for me. Okay, let me just put these in a few places. 4. Okay, let's see. Oh, this grid work. I want to put it over here to grid work 2. Okay. If anybody know me, they know my naming conventions are pretty intense. Okay, put it over here. I'm gonna play this sound, see what happens. Should be pretty unique. But as you can see, the matrix changed a little bit. And that was pretty cool. That sounds like it has some type of rhythm to it. So, and it's like it's hard to repeat or make to know what exact sound you're getting. That's why I say some type of sophistic AI or some type of real smart genius can really figure it out even better than the person who designed it on making or designing a song, from just putting the numbers around in certain positions and know how they divide and make certain sounds. But this is just awesome because it's like it gives you a basic matrix formula and just give you like almost endless possibilities on rhythms and songs. As you can just put in any type of number and you'll get like a different rhythm. And that's why I love this application that I'm working on. And I should be putting more work into it, but it's so complicated right now where the AI systems have a hard time updating or adding any more. So I would have to just try to add things myself by hand instead of asking the AI to do it. But as you can see, the song changed, the rhythm changed after putting in a few different numbers. And you can go higher if you want numbers. And or the matrix can be all the way out here if you want. But let's go here and see what happens with the musical matrix. As you can see, it's still breaking down into usable sound. That 22 never broke down, or the big number never broke down really well enough to get into this. Is the highest number the sounds go up to, number 13, G. Okay, but you can see that it had a pretty good matrix, and everything's working with the matrix. Okay, with the double zeros, let me go back a little bit so I don't try to confuse myself, make anything harder. But with the double zeros, was supposed to turn the number back into the original number once it encounters the double zeros. But for some reason, that did not work. Let me try 9. Let me try. We're going to go with a bigger number. So we'll make sure everything's. Let's see if it works. Nope, right there was supposed to turn. And I didn't see it. So let's go here. Okay, it started there. 9. Okay. So we'll go half and half and 1 up. Okay, that's what it was. Okay. So we'll go half and half. Half of 19 is 9 and 9. Or half of 18 is 9 and 9. And the extra 1 goes up here. Then we do it again with the 9. It goes half of 8. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 4 is 8. Is 4 again. Go up. But also another 4 is going in there. So that's why I say 8 from this position going over. And that 1 is coming up from the 9. And it just repeats itself over and over again. But as you can see, the double zero didn't take any precedence. So we must go to Claude and ask Claude to see if we can fix the problem. Okay, I want to keep everything the same. There's so many lines of code that you should know that Claude will have, any AI will have problems with 200 lines of code. So let's just see. I tried to ask it here to get it done, but never got it done. So let's just start a new chat. And see. I'm going to just use this maybe. Okay, duplicate tab. I'm going to start a new chat here. Okay, this. Okay. No. When a number hits position marked with 0, it should revert to being. I can take a little bit of that. Should revert to being the original number. So it started as an original number. Started as say its number. It started as. So in this example, when the numbers break down and make its way to the once any number gets in that position, that number turns into the original number, and that's 19. Okay, then it should just go back to being normal. And don't even put that because contradiction. Sometimes you want to it's like sometimes the code contradicts itself and well not contradicts it, it loops into itself. So sometimes you do not have to put could you do this at the end and it makes it more complicated to do things like that at the end. So sometimes you just want to leave it alone and just should go. Then it should go. Turns into the original number and that's 19, okay. I was gonna say then it should go back to zero, but no, I wanted the loop. The loop should already have that. It should go back to zero automatically. If it don't, then I can ask the call to fix the code. Okay, and that's 19. Okay, okay. Let's see if it can fit the code. It's not even going. I know for a fact it's not going to try to give me the full script, but it's a lot of work on this script. So let's give it a little bit of time and see if it answer the question. Let's make sure we're still recording. Sounds on and things like that. Get this matrix. I just want the double zero to work. If that works, that makes it even more of a sound, a music composer, because then the AI can really work it and work different sounds in and make different things go a certain way with that little. I guess it's like creating a game for like smart individuals or something like that, or like AI, or some of that nature. Okay, let's see if Claude done yet. Should be almost done. If it gave me the full code, it gave me half of the code, but I should be able to work with it. Let's see. Just gotta see when did it stop. Okay, new self grid equals new grid. Okay, return has self grid. Okay, let's try to find that. It's gonna be impossible. Oh, okay, let's. Okay, this is why I always ask for the full code because I'm not good with things like that. Just reading code. I'm from the old school HTML, CSS era. I'm sorry. This new Python stuff. I mean, I'm learning it and having fun with it, but me writing it actually, I wouldn't try it. It's not my medium. I like HTML and CSS. I can write millions of lines of it. Love designing using nodes, things like that. But once it comes to Python and writing it, it's something I have no preference on doing. But when I get the AI to write the code, and it's like having an employee work for me, and it's like perfect because I can just do anything. I can have fun with it. I don't have to really think about what's going on. It kind of reminds me of like JavaScript back in the day when I used to go just figure out new JavaScript things and just use it and it works. Now we just extra GPT to do it and sometimes it works. Let's get back to this script. I'm just going to ask for the full code. I guess it's right here, but let's see. Okay, it's right here. Let me just get here. See what happens. Hopefully everything is indented because sometimes when you do that, it don't be indented correctly. Another reason I asked for the full code. If you ever see any of my videos, okay, let's see. I knew it. Name get matrix audio is not defined. Something must have happened. Okay, let's see what happened. No, I don't see what happened. What did he change? Could you give me the full updated code so I do not have to play games with the VS Studio, VS Code, and trying to figure out where to put the code inside 200 lines of code? Well, we got time. We can just go to, I think it's, save this. Let's go here and see what happens. Okay, this is the same one. I just duplicated it. Just wanted to make sure it was still working. And let's see if this is complete. You know, it takes a while. Wow. Well, it should be. Might see this 219 lines. Let's see if it keeps up. 220. Wow. Might work. Might work. Let's try it out. Whoa. No, that did not work. It looks like nothing is moving. No, that's not what I wanted. What did it just do? No. No. Still, everything should move. I'm sorry. I'm pretty frustrated. No, that is not what I want. I want the original calculation going on. The only thing that changes is that position where the 00 is. I since I'm here, I can just draw it out, or I can even make it better on here. Okay, let's just do it here. 19 at 00 here. Okay, then it will be earlier it was 8 and 8, I think, or 9 and 9. 9 and 9. And 1, 0. Okay, that's what happened. The 1 didn't make it up to that, I guess. Then I feel like my math is off. I think it was 4 last time, something like that. Or this one to 8. And this will go to 4 or something, I guess. I mean, numbers could be off. Numbers could be off a little bit. 19, I would say. Okay, the numbers are off a little bit, but it should be similar to this. You see how when the number hit 19 and it steps. Okay, I'm just getting prepared. Something like this. See, the calculation may be off, but you know what? I got time. Let me just get the right calculation. I think I should be able to do it here. Okay. Create work 2. Oh, I never changed I just changed the wrong one. Okay, let's just go here. See, I just want to get the calculations. I swear, I swear. Something not right. Did I put grid work too, or? Oh, okay. Okay, it should be good. Okay, let's see. So with 8-4 above, oh no. So 1-1-4, let's see, 6. Oh, still don't look like anything's in that position. Okay, let's just take this here. It should be, oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. Okay, I want that first one too, but I can just grab it from here. Okay, put it right here. Okay, did I want all of that? Not at all. But I guess it works. As you can see, my job here is not too easy. Okay, we got that. Put this here. Yep. Okay. Still here. Make sure it's the right one. Still here. Okay. Still here. Then. Okay. This turns to 19. Okay. This is what I want. And this is how it should go. What it should look like. Okay. Let's see if it can achieve this goal now. Well, I doubt it. It's not even going to write the full code. Please write the full code. I should ask. I think I've been on here for about 30 minutes, so I will be getting off soon, guys. Very soon. Oh, I don't want to show you guys the whole freaking script. But it looks like it's running and it's writing the full script. Hopefully have more than 220 lines to show the improvement have been updated to the script. And please do not give me the same script, Claude. Okay, it should be almost done. Let's see. As you can see that it's not easy to develop. Oh my god, this is less lines. So I have a feeling that it's not going to work. We'll run it anyway. Oh, did not work. We could try. I can show the results. Let's see what exactly happened. Nothing. It's not taking the double zeros for some reason. It's not. I should just tell it that it's not. Okay, this is why you need coders for cheats like I'm about to make. Okay, it's not taking in the double zeros. Like suppose maybe we could set it up before it hits it or outside of the matrix because I think the matrix is just defaulting to 0 instead of keeping the double. That's why it's not working. I don't even want Claude to return this message because I know it probably ran out. But Okay, I'm not sure if this is going to work, but thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe to Search Your Text Apple Group on the channel, and we'll give this one a run. Okay, it went to negative zero, -1 to represent 0, 0. Let's see, will that work? I didn't think about it that way. I really didn't want to use negative numbers in the middle of the matrix, but you know, I guess Claude saying is a good thing. But let's go and see. If there's a reason, it had to be a reason I didn't want to use negative numbers. Get, but let's try it out. They say 00, but it's not like it's supposed to do something. Okay, that looked like it's wanted to work. It looks like it wanted to work. It's like it's avoiding it. And